Today, I'm going to walk you through getting Avocado's NVIDIA DeepStream reference up and running on NVIDIA's Jetson Nano dev kit. Now, hopefully you've watched our previous video where we walked you through the basics of Avocado OS, what it takes to get that up and running on a Jetson Nano dev kit. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that you already have all the prerequisites installed and that you've already been able to successfully provision your hardware. This reference is going to show off some of the cool bells and whistles of NVIDIA's DeepStream library. This is our doc site. Great reference for learning about Avocado, its features, its core concepts, what hardware we support, as well as what hardware we're going to support in the future. This is the stuff that we are working on right now. Our developer reference section also covers some getting started guides, our references, which we're going to dig into today, some more advanced development topics as well, documentation on some of our tooling. So let's get into the reference. We're looking at DeepStream today. This is NVIDIA DeepStream here. This is mirroring the information that's on our GitHub. So you can actually see all of this is here on GitHub. This walks you through the same exact stuff that we're going to do today. So digging in, we've got the prerequisites, which hopefully you've already followed. Now let's copy this, go over to our terminal, paste that in here. This is going to clone that reference, including the assets. Now we're going to CD into that. And we are going to run Avocado install, force it, Avocado build. Now, this is going to take a little bit while this runs. This is going to download all the packages, including NVIDIA DeepStream, which is a little big, and then start compiling everything. So this should take probably about 5, maybe 10 minutes, just depending on your internet speed. So we're gonna come back when this is all done. All right, that's done. Let's see how long that took. Right under 9 minutes for downloading all the packages and dependencies. That includes NVIDIA's DeepStream, the models, and the engines. And then it took 1 minute and 15 seconds to build all the file systems. So really about around 10 minutes or so. It's pretty great. Let's provision our Jetson Tegra Flash. All right. So now our Jetson is getting flashed with this reference. So this is going to take about 3 to 5 minutes to get all of this going. Okay, that's done. I timed it, took about 3.5 minutes. We're gonna look at the console. We are now connected to the Linux box over SSH, and I've just run TO so that we can get a console into the Jetson. So, root, we're in. Avocado control runtime list. Hey, we're running. All right, so the way that this reference works, go back. This is going to run a dashboard on port 8080 so that we can see system running. Now, let's make sure that we are up and running. We are. All right, so let's get our IP address here. So I go back to Chrome. All right, that is a close-up of my face. All right, let's do, I can turn on the zone here. This is going to count my face as it enters into this zone. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's turn that off. Now, if this room is big enough, I am going to go some of the cooler stuff that this can do. Stand up here across the room. We'll do face tracking, pose tracking, and hand tracking. So all of this is running on the GPU. Arms, hands. Makes me want to do a gesture I'm not supposed to do. Video. All very cool. All right, fun demo. Hopefully that was helpful in learning about Avocado OS and how quick and easy it is to get up and running on NVIDIA hardware, running some of these really advanced NVIDIA AI and vision applications. If you want to see more content or want to request more content, request new references featuring whatever topic, programming language, protocol, anything like that, please join our Discord. You can get there through avocadolinux.org or peridio.com. We can get you in there, and we use that to interact with the development community, take requests for new references. We also soft launch new features that are coming out, so you can get early access there. We'll be coming out with more content, more around NVIDIA, more around NXP and some of our other partners, all coming soon.